Hello and welcome to JDK Institution. In today's video, we are dividing into part 1 of our MCQ series on electric charges and field. We will be solving 30 important questions that will cover the core concepts. And after each question, you can revive a detailed answer and explanation provided in PDF format. Just check the link in the description given below to download it and study at your own pace. So let's get started. Charge is the property associated with matter due to which it produces and experiences both electric and magnetic effect. Charge is transferable, associated with mass, conserved, all of this. So answer is all of this. A body is positively charged. It implies that there is a positive as well as negative charge in the body, but the positive charge is more than the negative charge. On rubbing, when one body gets positively charged and another negatively charged, the electron transferred from positively charged body to negatively charged body are valence electron. Which of the following is best insulator? Ebonoid. If a body is negatively charged, then it has excess of electron. When body is charged by induction, then the body does not lose any charge. On charging by conduction, mass of the body may increase or decrease. Quantization of charge implies there is a minimum permissible charge on a particle. If an object possesses an electric charge, it is said to be electrified or A. When it has a no charge, it is said to be B. Here A and B refers to charged neutral. A positively charged rod is brought near an uncharged conductor. If the rod is suddenly withdrawn, the charge left on the conductor will be 0. Two spheres A and B, exactly same masses, are given equal positive and negative charges, respectively. Their masses after charging, mass A is less than mass B. When a comb rubbed with dry hair attract pieces of paper, this is because comb polarizes the piece of paper. When some charge is transferred to A, it readily gets distributed over entire surface of A. If some charge is put on B, it stays at the same place. Here, A and B refers to conductor, insulator. The quantization of charge was experimentally demonstrated by Millikan's oil drop experiment. In annihilation process, in which the electron and positron transform into two gamma rays, which property of electric charge is displayed? Conservation of charge. The force between electric charges is known as Coulomb's law. The valency of electric permittivity of free space is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 Coulomb square per Newton per meter square. Coulomb law is true for atomic distances because it fails to explain at nuclear distance. What happens when some charges is placed on a soap bubble? Its radius increases. 2 point charges plus q and small letter plus q is separated by a certain distance. If plus q is greater than small letter plus q, then in between the charges the electric field is 0 at a point which is closer to the small letter plus q. An electric field can deflect alpha particles. The unit of electric field is not equivalent to joules per coulomb. If an electron has an initial velocity in a direction different from that one of an electric field, the path of the electron is a parabola. A charged particle is free to move in an electric field. It will travel along a line of force if its initial velocity is 0. If a linear isotropic dielectric is placed in an electric field of strength E, then the polarization P is directly proportional to E. A point charge is kept at a center of metallic insulated spherical shell, then electric field inside the sphere is 0. If one penetrates a uniformly charged spherical cloud, electric field strength decreases directly as the distance from the center. Electric lines of force about negatively point charge are radially inwards. Electric lines of force are imaginary. The capacity and the energy stored in a parallel plate condenser with air between the plates are respectively C0 and W0. If the air is replaced by glass of dielectric material constant phi between the plates, the capacity of the plates and the energy stored in it will respectively be phi C0 W0 by phi. Further question will be solved in the future videos. Thank you.